I forgot I was supposed to be recording this. So I'm going to explain it for those people at home really quickly. For those people at home, to make your dilation for the last 6 problems on that assignment, you draw your line from O through C. You measure the distance O to C. It was 2.6. Our scale factor is 2. Therefore, I times 2.6 by 2, and I get 5.2. So 2 times 2.6 equals 5.2. And so my distance from here to there is 5.2. I mark that point, and I call it C prime right here. And I draw, and anyway, that's C prime. Okay, and then we drew another line from O through A. What was the distance when you guys measured on this one? 2.7? Should we go 2.8 then? Okay. Try to be as accurate as you can, but if you got 2.7, that would be fine too, Braden. Okay, it doesn't have to be. I mean, try to be exactly as you can, you guys, so you get this right, but if you're off a tenth, because it might be between the 2 tenths, and so it's hard to tell. Okay, 2.8 times 2 is what? Is 5.6. So you're going to go out to 5.6. I'm just estimating. Somewhere out here. You guys are going to actually measure. So we're going to call that A prime. And that distance was 5.6. So now we have A prime and C prime. Now we have to find B prime. So one more time, we're going to take and draw a line using your ruler from O through B out here. You're going to measure that distance. What is that distance from O to B? 2.3. Anybody agree? Okay, 2.3. Double that, because the scale factor is 2. That's going to be 4.6. Okay, so that's another 2.3 in other words. So it's really 4.6. And that's going to be called B prime. Whoops. That's called B prime. All right, now what are you going to do?
Connect dots.
Connect the dots. That's right. You are now going to take and connect these things. A prime to C prime. C prime. This is not wanting to bend down. To B prime, and B prime to A prime. And that purple one is my image. It's twice as big as the other one, scale factor of 2. And that's, you guys, this paper just does what I just taught you to do. So you can use this to do it. I'm going to give you the rest of class to do 6 problems like this. Now, it says on here, if you do one, any one that you do that has over 4 sides, like a pentagon or a hexagon or something like that, I will give you an extra point for. Okay? Or an octagon. The problem is the more sides, the longer it takes. So, okay? So I will give you an extra credit point for each one you do over that amount. Okay? Any questions on this? I would suggest getting out a separate piece of paper to do this on. Okay? And do the last 6 problems on your assignment. We all got that? Oh, really quickly. We need to correct that other assignment too. The computer one. Did anybody not finish it? I did tell you it was a study guide, didn't I? Do you guys want to turn in for credit or not?
Yes.
Well, Haley, you can do it. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll do it. We'll correct it next time. I'll give you guys a chance to make sure you got it all right. Okay? No, not this early in the quarter. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm giving you extra credit on this assignment. I can't give you guys will have like 200% in here if I do that. Okay, so make sure you have that paper that we did on the computer done next time. We'll correct it and turn it in. I do.